गाजर बीट आवळा मला द्या आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आवळा. किती रुपये ग्लास? फक्त 20 ना. थँक्स. So what's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel and making a habit to go early in the morning for a walk and run because I like sunrise and sunset. Do you want to see a sunrise? Let me show you a sunrise. So look at the beautiful sunrise. So today's video is about sunrise and a sunset. Now also I'm gonna chase a sunset because we all know Marine Drive is one of the best spot to see a sunset. Many people go over there, but I'm gonna go at Worli Promenade. It is one of the best area and it is less crowded, and many people usually go over there for a cycling, for their fitness activity, running, walking. So now I'll be there at Worli Promenade to see a sunset. Yes, in between there will be some interesting thing also gonna happen, so stay with me. Now I have seen people are also enjoying kites. Look at the car, look at the kite. Yeah, and one of the best thing to wake up early in the morning and going out for a walk and run, that one of the best benefit that I have noticed about myself, that I feel so motivated and feel so energetic. Because if you are facing mental health issues like panic attack, anxiety attack, then you should try wake up early in the morning and go for a walk, stay connected with the sun and nature. So this is the beauty. Look at this. Awesome. And you will see this mangroves behind me, and this is complete as sea facing area. Guys, sometimes I come here to see some flamingos, but I think flamingos are not here. They come before rainy season. Many people are avoiding to walk on this area. People walk in the morning, that is fine, but mostly people avoid walking over here after 5 p.m. because many incident has happened over here and many crime activities has also happened over here. So people just scared to come here after 5 p.m. So that's why most of the time I prefer not to come in this area. Yeah, morning is good, but it's okay to avoid such areas to walk at night. It is for our safety only. So now I'm gonna do some basic activities like warm up. I'll do a jogging, then basic stretching exercise, then I will be heading to Worli Promenade. I have to visit over there, and this will be my first time to visit at Worli Promenade. And one thing I have noticed about me, that while recording my first video, I was feeling little shy and little nervous, and I was not knowing what to do. But things has to be in a consistent way, then things will improve. Now I'm being confident. I don't feel nervous because slowly I know that things are gonna be improved and it will be impactful. So that is really important, to be consistent. And I promise myself, and also I'm promising to you, that things will be consistent on my YouTube channel and you will definitely enjoy each and every vlog. So now I have to do a running, but before doing it I have to do some basic warm up, which is really important before start your running. So now let's start for a non-stop run. Yay! So yeah, I did my warm up and I had run for 1 kilometer, I think so. Yeah. So guys, now I'm here watching season cricket, and I know these guys always come over here to do their season practice, and cricket is our always favorite. So while sitting, I have just noticed one thing. I have experienced this a lot with everywhere I go. I don't blame anyone. This is not a criticize, but guys, stop hitting each other and pulling each other's leg. I have noticed a lot. I know that my intent is always good for others, and I try to execute as much as I can wherever I go with my good intent. But I'm noticing about the surrounding about me, and some people are like they are completely involved into hate, ego, jealousy and anger. At the end it is your karma and it will hit you back. You don't think that you do any puja and all those things and things will work out for you. Nothing. At the end it is your thought process, and at the end it is your action, and obviously there will be always a reaction. So that is really important. I know my causes are good. I always have a good intent for others, and that's the reason I'm creating vlog. It is not just about my fashion lifestyle and everything, but it is also about my good intent for you, because I'm here to help you. That's it. So try to keep good intent for other also. Stop involved into hate, jealousy, anger. It is not gonna help you anymore. At the end you will face very bad consequences of it. So you just have to keep this thing in your mind. What's up guys, so now I'm all set and heading to Worli Promenade, and this will be my first time. So whatever I'm gonna experience over there, I will share with you. So stay till the end. So now I'm here at Kurla station. So I will catch my train to go at Dadar. From Dadar I have to again change for a Churchgate. So I'm traveling from Navi Mumbai, Panvel to South Mumbai. My train has arrived. Now I've arrived here at Dadar station. From platform number 2, I have to catch Mahalakshmi train. So, yeah. So guys, I'm traveling from Navi Mumbai to Mahalakshmi. So from Panvel train, I had to get down at Kurla. From Kurla, you have to catch a train from platform number 4 or platform number 6. You will get two options. But if you catch a train from platform number 6, then that will be easier for you because that trains are faster. And you could easily arrive at Dadar station. From Dadar, you will get Mahalakshmi train. It is a Churchgate train. Okay, so you will get that train from platform number 2. If you are new in Mumbai, then you could definitely watch this video, so you will get some basic ideas. Okay. अंकल वर्ली सीलिंग चलोगे क्या? हाँ, प्रोमेनाड है ना, वर्ली प्रोमेनाड, वहाँ पे चलोगे? वो जो सीलिंग है ना, नया बना हुआ है। हाँ, कोस्टल रोड चलोगे वहाँ पे? अपना सीलिंग जो होता है ना, अभी नया जो सीलिंग बना है ना, कोस्टल रोड का जो है वो, जहाँ पे लोग एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, वहाँ पे।
वो तो वर्ली में भी है, पिकनिक इधर भी है, फिर कैंडी में भी है, कई जगह है।
कहाँ पे है? कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है वो?
वर्ली से भी होता है।
हाँ, वही वर्ली वाला ही चाहिए। वर्ली का जो सीलिंग है ना, वहाँ पे जाना है बेटू। Now I have arrived here at Worli Promenade, and I am just seeing the beauty. It's really amazing, and look at the sunset behind me. Yeah, it's really amazing. I feel like I'm not in India. I feel like I'm somewhere else at Dubai. Thank you so much to that uncle. He was standing over there. I asked him to click my pictures, and he clicked it. Very nice. Thank you so much to that uncle. This is the underground, and nobody comes here actually. It is not that much of crowded like a Marine Drive, and It is a fully silenced place. You know guys, actually I like this small tower. It looks so pretty. This is another feeling like a Marine Drive, less crowded, and you will not see so many people over here because Marine Drive, it is a fully crowded. You will get mental peace, and some of my friends, they don't like to come along with me at Marine Drive. I like it, I don't care about crowds, but when I tell them to come along with me at Marine Drive, mostly they avoid. They said it is so much crowded. So whenever I'm coming along with my friends, so I'll definitely bring them here at Worli Promenade. It is beautiful. It's really amazing and I just enjoy it. Some of my friends are also always curious about me, that they think that I have a girlfriend. So guys, I want to show you my girlfriend. Look at this. Do you see my girlfriend? I don't have a girlfriend. I'm single. But hope you will understand after watching this video that I'm a single. I'm talking with my friend. It doesn't mean that I have a girlfriend. I have my female friends and I spend my time along with them. That's it. And I have seen lot of sports cars also over here. Mostly they comes on Sunday early morning. You will get all supercars if you come early in the morning. So yeah, sitting here and watching the sunset, it feels really amazing, and I feel like I'm just sitting at a Marine Drive, but this is a Worli Promenade. I really enjoy it. I'm just feeling the vibe. So yeah guys, so few days back I got a tortoise bite on my left hand. I have two tortoise. Male, his name is Donald, and female, her name is Daisy. So male is a little aggressive type of tortoise, and female, she is very introvert. She just eat and sleep, that's it, and she don't like even touch of anyone. And male is also, mostly he always very friendly with me, always chasing me, but he don't like whenever I'm touching his mouth and I'm always teasing him. So every time he bites on my hand, but sometimes it's bleed also. But this time it was completely bleeding, and it was not that much of painful. But look at the scratch. He literally hold it for 4 to 5 seconds. So it was and it was completely bleeding. So I thought let's not take any risk. My mother told me that go to the doctor, and I quickly went to my nearest doctor and I took a TT injection. Basically, tortoise, they are having infection in their mouth, and that is called salmonella. That is the infection. But that's it. Tortoise are not that much of poisonous, but this time it was continuously bleeding. So I thought let's consult to a doctor. So I visited nearest doctor, and he gave me a TT injection, and he gave me some of the antibiotic tablet. That's it. So I'm just carrying this my tiny little bag. I'm just keeping one water bottle, and whenever I'm going out, that time I most of the time I just avoid having bahar ka food, like or restaurant food and hotel. I don't visit. I don't like to waste my money. Yeah, sometimes it's okay, but I'm more into my health and diet now. So basically, I just have some. What's in my bag? Yes, so I have these 2 chickens, okay, and this is my hand sanitizer, and this is my chewing gum, Orbit, and what? Yeah, I have a cookie. This is oats and millets. That's it only. It helped me to save my money, and also I'm just trying to avoid restaurants because I don't like having food at restaurants. Sometimes it's okay, but most of the time I just avoid having all those things. So now I'm gonna have this chicky with me. But let me sanitize my hands. Now I don't think so I will travel again to that Mahalakshmi, from Mahalakshmi to Dadar, Dadar to Kurla, Kurla to Panvel, because this is already a long distance, and traveling in a rush, and this is the evening time. Evening time is obviously, or this is the office logout time, so it is trains are already crowded at this time. So I will directly take a Ola or any taxi from here, from Worli to Marine Drive. I think Marine Drive is not that much of far. It is very close from Worli to Marine Drive. So I will stay near at Marine Drive. From Marine Drive, I will easily go by walk at CHT station, because CHT station it takes hardly 20 minutes by walking distance, and if you go by car it takes hardly 5 minutes. So yeah, in the evening also it looks really beautiful. Look at the beauty behind me, and I just have to get all this thing done, because my battery is gonna die, because I have only 25% battery, and time is around 7 p.m. in the evening. Now time is around 7:45 in the evening, and still you will see it is less crowded. Hardly few people comes over here for a walk and run, because from Mahalakshmi station also it is a long distance, because I took a taxi from Mahalakshmi station to Worli Promenade, and it cost me around 200 rupees to arrive here at Worli Promenade. So this is it, guys. I just crossed the tunnel from Worli Promenade to Marine Drive. Now I'm here at Marine Drive. So I will catch again a taxi from here to CHT station, and I will directly catch my Panvel train. And yeah, this is it, guys. And I will see you in the next vlog, and next video I will post about how to quit smoking, because I remember it was about 2012. I quit smoking in 2012, and since 2012 I haven't smoked any single cigarette. So I will teach you and I will give you some of the basic ideas how to control on your willpower, okay, how to hate cigarette, okay, and you will definitely like it, okay. So see you in the next vlogs, okay. Till then, signing out with this video, and hope you will enjoy this video. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you then. Love you all. Bye. One of my favorite spot in Viti is Almeza Mitti.